seeker, searcher, explorer, prospector. Some people search for truth. Some search for answers. Some search for new worlds. And some search for gold. These words sound similar, but they are not the same. Here is the difference. First, seeker. A seeker looks for something important or meaningful, often something abstract. Truth, purpose, peace, knowledge, opportunity. The focus is not on the physical search. The focus is on the desire to find something valuable. That is why English has expressions like truth seeker, job seeker, thrill seeker. Now notice this. A seeker is often defined by what they hope to find. Now searcher. A searcher actively looks for something. The search is usually practical and direct. A missing person, information, evidence, survivors. This word feels more physical and operational than seeker. A searcher is doing the act of searching. That is the key difference. A seeker wants to find something meaningful. A searcher is actively trying to locate something. Next, explorer. An explorer goes into unknown places. The goal is not only to find something. The goal is discovery itself. Explorers enter forests, oceans, mountains, new lands, or even new ideas. This word has a strong sense of adventure, and unlike searcher, an explorer may not know exactly what they will find. Now notice this. A searcher usually looks for something specific. An explorer often enters the unknown. Finally, prospector. A prospector searches for valuable natural resources, usually gold, oil, silver, or precious stones. This word is strongly connected to mining and frontier history, especially the old American West. A prospector is not exploring for knowledge. A prospector is searching for wealth. That is the center of the word. So here is the key. A seeker searches for meaning. A searcher tries to find something specific. An explorer enters the unknown. A prospector searches for valuable resources. All of them search, but not for the same reason. Same idea, different purpose.